Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe at your homes. Here also I am very fine, Nana. This is 6th class social. So before entering the lesson, we should know the day and date, Nana. So today date is 13th August 2021 and the day is Friday. So what is the name of our lesson, my dears? Yes, our lesson name is Globe, Model of the Earth. What it is, ma? Globe, Model of the Earth. So our lesson is over, Nana. So today I'll show you how to read the lesson, Nana. From here onwards I'll show you Sima axis of the earth. You notice that a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The globe moves around this needle from west to east, just as the earth moves. But remember, there is a major difference. The real earth has no such needle. Earth's rotational axis is an imaginary straight line which runs through the north and south poles. Next, northern and southern hemispheres. The imaginary line running horizontally on the middle of the globe divides it into two equal halves. This line is known as the equator, 0 degrees latitude. The half that lies north of the equator is known as the northern hemisphere, and the half that lies south of the equator is known as the southern hemisphere. Next page, na page number 18. Latitudes. If you observe the globe sorry Nana, if you observe the globe closely, you can see some lines drawn parallel to the equator. These lines are latitudes. They are parallel to each other and never meet. Latitude range from 0 degrees to 90 degrees to the north and 0 degrees to 90 degrees to the south of the equator. The 90 degrees latitude on the north is the North Pole, and the 90 degrees latitude on the south is the South Pole. There are 90 latitudes in north and 90 latitudes in south. All the latitudes are circles except poles. North Pole, the Arctic Circle, and the Tropic of Cancer are the important latitudes in the northern hemisphere. On the other hand, the South Pole, the Antarctic Circle, and the Tropic of Capricorn are the important latitudes in the southern hemisphere. The climatic division of the earth can be studied with the help of latitudes. Seen on a North Pole 90 degrees north, Arctic Pole 66.5 degrees north, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north, Equator 0 degrees, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south, South Pole 90 degrees south. So these are the important latitudes. So I hope you understood how to read this lesson, Nana. Remaining topic I'll explain you later. Until then, stay home, stay safe.